QA Graphics 3D floor plan solutions are designed with flexibility and customization in mind, allowing each project to match your operational and visual preferences. Our experienced team offers a variety of predefined render styles to choose from, or we can create a completely customized appearance tailored specifically to your project. The amount of information displayed within the graphics is entirely configurable based on your needs and preferences. For a streamlined appearance, you may choose a simple floor plan layout displaying only the building structure. Mechanical ductwork layers can be added to provide deeper system visibility and operational insight. Zone overlays help operators quickly identify system areas and improve navigation throughout the facility. Additional layers, such as furniture layouts, room numbers, and thermostat locations, can also be incorporated for enhanced detail and functionality. Our goal is to provide graphics that are both visually effective and operationally efficient, fully customized to the way your team works. From simple floor plans to highly detailed system visualizations, we create solutions designed specifically for your facility.